In the first video, you learnt the meaning and properties of multiplication. In this video, we have to learn how to multiply any number by one-digit number, two-digit number, etc. Let us see some example. Here I have the first question, that is 324 by 5. So 324 multiplied by 5. So this is a 3-digit number. This is a 1-digit number. We have to multiply 3-digit number by 1-digit number. We can multiply here. So you can write the digits. Should leave some space in between. 324 into 5. So you can put equal and write the answer. We can multiply horizontally. You already learnt in the lower classes. Or else you can write down. See here. So we have to multiply ones place by the digit. That is 5. Then tens place. Then 100 place. So let me check. So from 5 fours are 20. So 20 should write 0 and 2 will be the carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12, 2 right and 1 carry. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 is 16. You should write 16. Now the product is 1620. So that means when we multiplied 324 by 5, we will get 1620 as the answer. Clear? So let us see how to multiply by two-digit number. Multiply 618 into 12. So we have to multiply three-digit number by two-digit. Okay. So first you should write the number, that is 618 into 12. Okay. So we have to multiply each digit by ones place, then tens place. To do multiplication, what we required, children? So we required tables, right? We have to learn the tables at least minimum 2 to 10. So 2 to 10, you have to learn the tables. So we have to multiply each digit by the ones place. Here ones place is 2. So from 2 I am multiplying 8. 2 8s are 16. 6 right and 1 carry. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 6 are 12. Okay. So now we have to multiply by 10. So it is not 1, it is a 10. Okay, tens place. We have to multiply by 10. That means then ones place will be the 0. So you can strike out the carry. It is in the ones place. If you get any carries in the tens place, you can write up. 1 8s are 8. You should write the product from the tens place because ones place is going to put the 0. So 1 1s are 1. 1 6 are 6. So now two digits multiplication over. Then add 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 carry 4 7. So this is your product. Next we will solve the exercise number 3.1. So A main 633 by 215. So it is multiplication by 3-digit number and 3-digit number. Okay, so we can multiply like this also, or we can write horizontally. So multiplicand and multiplier we can write horizontally and we can multiply. Shall we start? So to do this multiplication, you can write the multiplicand, that is 6 3 3 multiplied by 215. So we can multiply. So if you want any rough work or tables, you can write here, but don't write full table. Clear? So we have to multiply by ones place. So what is the ones place here? From 5 you can multiply all the 3 digits and write the product down the digits. 5 3s are 15. So 5 right and 1 carry. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 is 16, 6 right and 1 carry. 5 6 are 30. So 0, 3 will goes to the next place, right? So now we have to multiply by 10. That is 1. So 1 3s are 3. Don't write in the ones place. Because it is a 10, we should write the product in the tens place. Now we have to multiply by 1, that is 10. So ones place put 0. So 1 3s are 3. You should write from the tens place. Okay. So these are the carries for ones place, right? You can strike out. If you get any carries in the tens place, you can write. So 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. 1 6 are 6. Okay. So while you are writing each product, the number should be in the air place value. Okay. So because we have to add, right? Next. So tens place over. We have to multiply by 100 place. 100, it is nothing but 2. It is a 200. Okay. So that time ones place 0. Tens place also 0. Multiplication, that is multiplication by 100. Start writing product from the 100 place. 2 3s are 6. So it starts from 100 place. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. Clear? So now you should add 5. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 right and 1 carry. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Here 1. So this is the product. Second question, 309 multiplied by 823. You should write 309 into 823. Multiply 3 9s are, so it is ones place. 9 3s are 27. 7 right and 2 carry. 3 zeros are 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 3s are 9. So it is multiplied by ones place. Now we have to multiply by tens place, that is 20. So ones place 0. 2 9s are, we strike out these carries. 2 9s are 18. 8 right and 1 carry. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 3s are 6. So now you should write multiply by 100. Then ones place 0. Tens place 0. Start writing the product from the 100 place. 8 9s are 70. 2 right and 7 carry. So 8 zeros are 0 plus 7 is 7. 8 3s are 24. 4. 2 will goes to the next place. Clear? So now you can add all the three numbers. 7. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 1 carry. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 4 right and 1 carry. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 is your answer.